I'm so excited. I'm super good. We today are going to view Skye Canyon, a master planned community from the sky. I'm super excited.
What an amazing day.
It is.
This is a perfect day to fly.
It's absolutely beautiful. One of the cool little things that I've got going for me being an Air Force veteran is I know a lot of pilots.
You do.
So today I wanted to view something from the sky. I'm like, who should I call? My friend Tony's gonna take us, airborne. We're gonna go view 1,000-acre master plan community from the sky. Then we're gonna hit it from the ground and really expose everything that the builder is trying to offer, which is a lot of outdoor living.
A lot of activity.
Yeah, I'm really excited. You ready? And we're gonna head westbound in Las Vegas. We're actually going to hook around Lone Mountain, which is a mountain here in Las Vegas that a lot of people hike, me included, and my family. So now we're gonna actually go around Skye Canyon. And that is a 1,000-acre parcel that's being developed. It's a master plan community. It has over 6 builders down there right now.
That's huge.
Yeah, the beautiful thing and the thing that they're trying to really captivate is outdoor living. It's massive.
A big development.
And I would say it's only about halfway built up at this point. All of that, you're gonna see all the trenching happening, and everything to the north still is going to be developed into home sites. If you take 95 north outside of Las Vegas, who would have thought that there's this gorgeous golf course in the middle of nowhere? It's called Paiute. Lots of weddings take place out here. My family and I go out here to enjoy breakfast on Saturdays and Sundays. We overlook the lake, we overlook the greens, and look at this. You would never know this even exists.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, from the ground, when you're down there, you see greens against the desert landscaping and the beautiful desert mountains. It's spectacular.
Now, are we going to go down to the facility and get to see what's going on down there on the ground?
As soon as we land, we are going to hop in our cars, we're going to drive over to Skye Canyon, and we're going to tour the facilities. On the ground, so much fun! So we just landed.
Right.
And we got to see this entire development from the air, which was awesome.
Yep.
And right now we're standing smack dab in the middle in Skye Center. So this is something that Skye Canyon is truly trying to promote, which is, it is the base camp for the great outdoors. So they're really trying to invigorate outdoor activities, and you're gonna see that everywhere you turn, whether it's people bicycling or walking. We've got the parks, we've got the pools. We have so much to offer here at Skye Canyon.
You can totally tell that they have done that.
There she is. Hi.
Kayla, how are you?
So this is an area where residents can come. They can get Starbucks brand coffee. We have snacks. We do lots of our resident events today. I just finished up with an Earth Day event for the kiddos. We did a pool and picnic last night where we grilled out on the
fun!
Watermelon, all of that kind of great
This isn't just about buying a house, it's about buying a lifestyle and almost like a packaged community. Beautiful pools.
Oh, I love the pool. I love Las Vegas. I mean, it's amazing to see Mount Charleston over there, the construction going on. Vegas has the Strip, there's heat, there's pools,
extremely
there's
diverse.
skiing.
We have everything.
We have everything here. And this is like 15 minutes away from the ski resort.
I know.
And then the hiking.
I know.
And the biking.
This
all
is what
the trails.
I'm trying to tell you.
I know, I love Las Vegas. The more I'm here, the more I love it.
That's awesome. Let's go check out some new builds.
Let's go do it.
Okay.
Okay.
So today we're in a Lennar model, which I love. Lennar is one of my favorite builders, and Meredith is one of my favorite Lennar representatives. I'm calling her all the time. One of my things that I truly love about their model homes is there's no bait and switch. What you see is what you get.
So just to point out some of the things in the kitchen, we've got the cabinets that are 42-inch upwards with the crown molding on top.
Yep.
All of the appliances that you see here, yes, including the refrigerator and the built-in microwave. Stainless steel undermount sink, beautiful
Granite countertop.
Oh my gosh. The granite countertop is standard.
Yes.
Wow.
So when I go to another builder, a lot of times you have to ask for an upgrade sheet, and what you thought your budget was quickly spirals out of control with Lennar. That doesn't happen.
Falisha!
Woo! So we have toured Skye Canyon from the sky today.
Yes.
On the ground, all the amenities, a beautiful Lennar model.
Love
I don't
it.
know about you guys, but I'm truly excited to see where Skye Canyon continues to grow from here.
I can't wait.
Me either.
Let's do it.
Ready? Let's
Woo!
go!